Nursery cartoon love, journey with hoorah.
In a meadow where the daisies sway, 5 ducks waddled in a merry array. With feathers bright as the morning sun, they quacked and splashed, their day just begun. But lurking nearby in the shadows deep, a sly little fox watched them with glee not sleep. His eyes glinted sharp like stars in the night, a cunning plan brewed. Oh, what a fright! Quack, quack! Went when as they dipped by the brook, unaware of the danger that lay with each look. The leader duck said, "Let's play hide and seek." But whispers of caution began to peek. With laughter echoing through leafy green trees, they hopped and they twirled on a soft summer breeze. Yet behind every giggle lurked something more grim. The fox crept closer, his chances grew slim. "Come here," called out Duck 5 with delight. "I'll show you my secret, it's quite out of sight." But hidden beneath playful innocence spun was wisdom long earned when dangers were won. As dusk painted skies with hues bold and grand, the 5 little ducks formed a protective band. Together they quacked in harmonious tone. "Stay back," cried Duck 2, "you're not all alone." Just then came the fox with his grin full of charm. "I mean no harm," he said, "I'm just here for fun." But the ducks stood united, their bond was their strength. No trickery here can divide us at length. So off scampered Fox as he slinked from their sight. 5 brave little ducks now embrace twilight's light. And though danger may lurk in shadows unseen, together they faced it, proud hearts evergreen.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with hoorah.